Guys, we are so happy to welcome you here, and right now I will show you how to use the half swipe option on the Snapchat. So guys, this is a very cool option which can help you to navigate on the Snapchat in a very easy way. If you don't have this cool half swipe feature, you can go to our channel and to find the special video about how to update the Snapchat app to get access to the whole new features of this application and to use them without any troubles. So if you have this half swipe option on your device, you can smoothly use it to navigate on the app, and also we have some cool feature, hide option. So if you want to read some message without notifying the selected person that you have read a new SMS, you can do it without them knowing. So just hold down the profile picture and swipe a little bit using this half swipe option to the right side. So how to do it? I'm sorry, I need to repeat it in this way. So I have some new notification, I have some new SMS and message, and after I can read it. But remember, you just not to hold it on, just need to swipe it a little bit and after to go back. So your friend won't know that you have read this notification and message. It's very cool option, and I hope that you will use it because it's really very nice and helpful. Guys, don't forget about likes, and I hope that you will subscribe on our channel to find even more cool tricks about the Snapchat app and other applications. So good luck, bye bye.